Shauna. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a Stitch Fix unboxing day. I get so excited about these ones. You only get half the amount of clothes as Trunk Club, but they're always so good. So I hope that they continue with it. If you've never done Stitch Fix before, please try my referral code. I'll put it down below. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. I do lots of unboxings and have a really good time doing it. I can't remember what I asked for. I think it had to do with my trip to London coming up. So some more travel clothes, maybe dresses. It's a huge box, so I feel like there might be purses and shoes in there, which I get excited about. The box was precariously taped, like it had been opened and reclosed, so I hope everything's okay in there. All right, let's look and see what they sent me. Oh my gosh, they sent so many cool things, it looks like, in here. Oh yeah, I asked for some extras, like some camis or tank tops or something, so I'll have to try those on. I've never gotten them before, but I decided to give it a try. Here's my envelope to mail back, the prices and the style card. I'm so excited. Okay, the first thing is the burrito, which is pretty small. Okay, we'll see what's in there. Shoes. Oh, I'm so happy. Look at this, the purse. I've been asking for a yellow or mustard purse. I don't know, this definitely wouldn't work for London, but I've been really wanting a mustard yellow purse, and this is so cute. But let's go through the burrito first. The first thing is, looks like a navy dress by Calvin Klein. And it's polyester, zip in the back. Looks, you know, like form-fitted. Could be really cute tulip sleeves. We'll try that on. I love navy. Oh, here is a simple little tank top, which I love these, even though I'm in Seattle and it's so rainy and can't wear tank tops for a lot longer, but it's great in blazers and cardigans and things like that. So it has a neat little ruching design up there, so I'll try that on. And then here's another one. So little tank top. Oh, I'm not always great with these types of colors, but it's sure soft. And like it's a little tunic-y shaped by Sweet Gray. And so I'll try this on. It may be a little too pink, and you guys know how I feel about pink. So we'll give that a go. Now the shoes. Oh, those are cute. They're little leather flats, and they're very, very cute. I'll try them on as well and see how they fit. Just to really quick go through the purse, it's by Urban Expression, and oh my gosh, there is so much room in this thing. It's kind of huge, which I don't mind a big purse. It's not great for, I think, for traveling. It does have a crossbody strap, but it's not really meant to be crossbody, if you'd agree. These big things, I don't know, it doesn't really work for me usually, but gosh, it's got so many zippers and compartments, and that's really cute. I love purses. It'll depend on the price for sure. Okay, let me go try on everything so you guys can tell me what you think. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I don't usually do this, but I just read my stylist note, and it was so great that I wanted to read it to you, because this is why I love Stitch Fix and why it sets it apart from other clothing subscription services that I've tried. And she said, "Hi Shauna, happy Fix Day. I'm sorry to report that your normal stylist Jasmine is no longer styling with us," which breaks my heart because she was great. However, she said, "But I loved watching your unboxing video and reviewing your profile, and I've selected some chic, fashionable pieces for your take to London. Super personalized, watch the video, great. I started by selecting the Calvin Klein dress for a nice dinner out, and I think that's exactly the casual but classy style you're looking for," which is what I asked for, and I would agree. It's more fitted silhouette like you noted you prefer in your profile, and the solid navy brings an understated elegance to your look. Pair it with simple jewelry and the Mia flats for dinner. They have a padded footbed to keep your feet happy all day without sacrificing style. She knows I'm going to London. I'm gonna be on my feet the entire time, but I want something stylish, which is perfect, perfect. And these do seem really comfortable. We'll see how they feel when I try them on. And I'm also happy to include Urban Expression bag and 2 classic tops in solid colors to pair with dark skinny jeans for a chic daytime style. And it's, the stylist name's Allie. I just think they do such a good job looking at your profile, looking at your Pinterest board, and really trying to find styles that work for you. So I just wanted to share it because it's so perfect. I mean, one note, and you can tell that she spent a lot of time and thought trying to find something that works for me. Okay, so here is the shirt, the black shirt, and it's really cute. It's super simple without a doubt, but this is something that I would wear all the time, and the rouging is really, really gives it a simple black shirt that could go under layers, some interest and some cuteness. Has little keyhole there, and it can be front tucked, but it lays nice too. It's a little bit, it has a different fabric in the back. It's like a soft cotton in the back and kind of a rayon in the front. And so I don't think it would wrinkle either. It could be a great shirt to take on a trip. Would go perfect under a blazer for sure. So let me back up a little bit more. Cute, right? Super simple, but cute. Okay, let me try on the next thing. Okay, here is the next shirt. And although I don't typically like this color, it looks pretty cute, right? Like this tunic top is really nice, and the front is a little bit silky. It's a little bit kind of wrinkly, but not bad. And the back is more of a stretch cotton, and it could front tuck really cute, or even it just lays fine loose. But I wanted to try it on with this blazer I received from Skies Blue quite a long time ago, and I thought it might be cute with this blazer. Let's see. What do you think about that? Is that cute? Okay, I also put the shoes on, which kudos to her. She worked really hard to find shoes that were comfortable, and they are comfortable. I'm not sure they're totally me, but they're really, really cute, and she did a good job because they are comfortable, and sometimes flats are hard on feet, you know. All right, well, let me try on the dress and see how that looks. I'm kind of excited about it. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, here's the Calvin Klein dress. She told me to put it on with the flats that she sent, but that looks stupid. So I put it on with some just nude heels. It looked the flats look too casual with it. Okay, so tell me what you think of the dress. It's really stretchy. It's just a polyester material. It's not bad, it's not good, but tell me your honest opinion. It has these sleeves that are like tulip sleeves. Okay, I love the color. I don't think it looks bad. I think it's quite flattering. It might be a little bit too big, and maybe I would like it more if I got a one smaller size. But does it feel a little mother of the bride to anyone else? Like, just put like a little bit of rhinestones or something around here and I'm all of a sudden mother of the bride. I don't know. I mean, I'm not looking for anything super sexy, but this seems a little too, is the word matronly? I don't know. The length is fun, and I do think it looks good. Maybe it would be good for a dinner in London. It's supposed to be for a nice dinner, right? I guess it'll depend on the price, and maybe a smaller size. Tell me what you think. Here, let's put it with the purse. Yes, no. Yes, but no. All right, I think a lot of this is gonna come down to prices, so I'll be right back and we'll look at prices. Okay, let's check out the prices. There's a lot of cute stuff, but some of it may depend on the price. Okay, so the purse is by Urban Expressions and it's $58. That's pretty good. If a purse is under 100 bucks, I'm happy. Okay, the black ruched top was by Pale Sky and it's $58. A little steep for a tank top, but not totally unreasonable. The flats are by Mia and they're $49. That's not bad either. They're real cute and they're squishy comfy, which is something when it comes to ballet flats. The jewel tone top, this purpley pink color, which is really soft and was way better than I thought it would be. Sweet gray, and it's $58. It's like a lot of things $58, which again is a little high for a tank top, but is not terrible. The Calvin Klein dress is more. It's a size 14. And it's 108, which I don't think is totally unreasonable for a Calvin Klein. So I don't know if I loved it though. I definitely think a smaller size, but you guys will have to tell me. Sometimes I totally change my opinion after I edit the video. They also have the classic camis. I got one in nude and black and they're 14 bucks each. So we'll see if I like those. I didn't actually try them on. And then, so the total is, with the extras, is $256.25. Seems a little steep for tank tops and a dress, but I did like a couple of them. Ugh. Tell me what you guys think. I think they did a really good job. I think it was really customized to me and really thoughtful. I don't know if all of them are perfect, but Stitch Fix always does a great job. And this is a new stylist who's just getting to know me. So I think that's great. Nice work. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Again, subscribe and we'll see you next time.